trinket foot. There you go. All right, you do win a stuffed cow. That's courtesy of Beaver.
I want to buy one of those, yes.
Comes out of the trees, put it in the tank. We collect it and put it in the tank up there. That blue line, it comes in here, the blue line.
Yeah.
There's 3 tanks here. That's baffles in there. Fill the top tank up to the black line. Fill this one up to the black line. Then this is what we call a finishing pan. So when we put the fire in here, this heats this. The steam in here preheats the top pan. So when it's preheated, it comes down in here. When it comes off, when it comes in from the trees, it's like 2% sugar.
Hi there, troublemaker. It's me. We understand what I'm here already. Yes, that's right.
Check, 1, 2, check, check.
Good job, man. You do one more?
Nah, I'm good with I got it. I ain't gonna leave without getting it.
Who's next?
I got it, I'm good.
Alright, whatever I hand it to you, just grab it in the center. Make sure you don't put your thumb up top here, and then you'll try and flip it again. And then whenever you throw it straight over your shoulder, straight forward again, okay? Alright, do it again.
Okay, definitely. All right.
How old is the child? 4. 2 adults and 1 child. Thank you.
Thank you.
2 adults. Do you have a $1 bill so we can give you back a 5 and change instead of 4 ones? Sure do. Thank you.
There's 2 adults.
You got 60?
Yeah.
Thank
Little guys. We don't want no guys today.
You need 5 more deer to go. There's a total of 10 deer in the painting. On the back of the painting, there's a map which will actually show you where everything is hidden. You've given up. Hidden in the pheasant hunting painting is a knife, an arrow, a dog whistle, 2 maple syrup buckets, a tree stand and axe, a blue jay, a woodpecker, a deer, 5 pheasants, and a mystery creature.
Well, this is made with apple cider vinegar. Is apple cider? Yeah. This is what?
Want to taste?
Yeah, that's right. Why don't you, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Here's your pen back and have a good day. Enjoy.
Thank you very, very
Yes,
much.
you can. $22. Would you like a bag? Okay, cool.
Are you in line?
And when it drops from the top pan to the second pan, maybe 4% sugar. And it comes out here, we get maybe 14% sugar. And it comes in here, it works its way here. There's no opening there. It works its way across, back and forth, whole way across. When it gets to the other side.
Oh, Riley, you're gonna get the white one. You gotta get back so the little girl can get off of the horse though, honey.
Thank you.
Careful. Your turn.
How many times do they go around?
Any battles today?
No, we had 15 guys yesterday. We did a lot of shooting and marching. Today, hardly nobody showed up, me and 1 other kid. The Civil War guys still got quite a few here, you know. I only got 3 or 4 cartridges left. This is original 1794 Army uniform. That's Anthony Wayne buttons, a frog leg on there. That's what he wore all the time. You know, they were down there at Legionville, Ambridge, you know.
The original suit's wool?
Yeah, oh yeah. They're hot. The Army never made anything comfortable. They're hot in the summer and cold in the winter, you know.
Here, smile for the camera. I was sent my friend, so I met George Washington.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, George. How'd you guys make it so fast?
Well, we were standing there and we thought we'd just start walking up.
You walked all the way down to the car?
Oh, no, Joe drove us.
Don't make up stories to try to justify the fact that you went in the water after I told you not to.
You know what? If you want to get in, you can put your hand.
And here's is a filter press. We bring it in 5-gallon cans, pump it through the filter press. We have a tank here that we pump it into. Okay, we heat it up again to 190.